Hey guys, it's a girl Ceeskyler. Welcome back to another vlog. So today it's a beach day. We're going to be visiting Koh Larn Island. So we're going to use this ferry boat. It's for 30 baht. So you pay 30 Thai baht. So this trip is going to take 30 to 45 minutes. So when you get to Koh Lan, we're going to do a bit of activities. We're going to do the jet skiing, banana boat, snorkeling. There are different activities. You just have to choose which one you want. So stay tuned. So we now at Koh Lan Island. So there are different types of beach like on that island, but we're going to Taiwan beach. So we're just going to change. Then when we finish changing, just going to do our activities. Then we have to chill a bit. And the weather was really good. Trust me. It was really an enjoyable day. I really enjoyed my day. I would recommend you to visit Taiwan beach. There are a lot of interesting activities. You gotta love it. You gotta love it.
So I remove my glasses because of black.
Oh,
white.
So when you get here, there'll be a lot of Thai vendors. Especially like if you can't swim, like if you can't go for jet skiing alone, you'll be have a Thai assistant. So you don't have to be scared about anything. And the prices, they're different. You may get someone who be saying like jet skiing can go for 1,000 baht. Some of them you can actually negotiate. Like you want to do like, let's say for example, you want to do 3 to 4 activities, and that person will actually give you a discount. So I used the last person that I used the last time I was in Taiwan beach. So here I was ready for jet skiing. I really enjoyed it. So you have a good time.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's a girl Ceeskyler. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Here's to my 4th day in Pattaya. So today I'm at Taiwan beach. I'm just going to be doing a bit of activities. So I'm going to be doing jet skiing, banana boat and snorkeling. So stay tuned. This way.
Let me know if I'll save it.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so when the next video pops up, you'll be notified.